The British pound is locked in the absolute final stages of a critical wave to decline. The GBP-USD pair has been grinding sideways to lower in an obvious corrective setback ever since topping out at the 1-point-30-5-80-9 level back on April 14th, setting the stage for what could be one of the most explosive trading opportunities of the quarter. Tech. The macro-technical structure is pointing directly to a massive, impending Elliott Wave breakout. While it initially looked like the cable carved out a secondary bottom at 1-point-30-3-0-5 last week to end the corrective phase, the subsequent bounce off that June 8th low has been notably choppy and overlapping a classic sign of a corrective countertrend rally rather than a new impulsive surge. This implies that yesterday's peak at 1-point-30-4-60-1 marked the top of a complex corrective structure. As a result, the immediate downward pressure we are tracking this week represents the final sub-micro wave, Silicon ending wave matching multiple degrees of trend. Momentum traders should brace for this near-term decline to develop into a sharp five-wave structure, likely taking the shape of a clean impulse or a terminal diagonal pattern. The ultimate buy zone for the bulls is perfectly defined right on the daily charts. An exceptionally strong cluster of technical wave relationships is sitting between the 1-point-30-2-60-2 and 1-point-30-2-80-6 zones, resting just a few pips below last week's swing low. This entire bullish wave count remains fully valid as long as the market strictly holds above the vital double bottom support floor of 1-point-30-1-70-5 established in early April. If that level breaks, the structural bias completely shifts. However, if the floor holds, clearing this final correction will pave the way for a powerful, massive wave 3 rally, traditionally the longest and most aggressive surge in the entire 8-wave sequence, forecasting an explosive medium-term extension up toward 1.37 and much higher levels over the coming weeks. Spread. Will this final downside dip hit the ultimate wave cluster zone and ignite a furious 300-pip rally, or will the bears force a catastrophic break below the line in the sand? Make sure you do not miss the launch of this massive Wave 3 sequence. Hit that subscribe button right now for daily fast-paced Forex insights and breaking Elliott Wave setups.